How families can create Suite360 accounts. You have been provided a Suite360 Families flyer. This includes your school or district's unique program URL at the bottom of the flyer and an activation code that is needed upon first sign up. Upon your first login, you'll need to type in this URL into your browser. Once you have done that, it's going to bring you to the initial login page. Because this is the first time we are signing in, you will not have a username or password to use yet. We'll need to select Not a Member, Sign Up Now. The first thing you'll need to put in is that school or district activation code. Going back to the flyer, that activation code is going to be orange in this purple box. So we're going to type that in. Next, you'll put in your first name, last name, and then email. Next, you will select the grade level that your student or students are in. If you have more than one student in multiple grade levels, you can select as many as you need. Next, you'll put in a password. Note that your password must be at least 8 characters and contain at least 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter and 1 number. This email address and password is what you will use for upon login, for your username and for your password. We'll select Sign Up, and it will bring you to the dashboard. Now, when you log into the program, remember that this resource is not to check your students' grades or progress on the lessons that they have been assigned. But this is a resource for you to learn more about topics that relate to your student's age. You will see a list of recommended resources under Top Picks. Because this is the parent portion of these lessons, you'll see that it says parent, and then you'll see a key phrase of what is being talked about in this lesson. When we want to look at that lesson, we're going to select Start Lesson and Start Lesson again. Here you'll notice that we have a companion guide. This is just an additional resource for you that you can select Download Full Guide, and it's going to offer a brief summary of what your student will be able to do once they have completed this lesson and what you can do after the lesson, and it also offers additional resources as well. As we click through, you'll notice that it brings you to the actual parent portion of the lesson. You'll notice that there will be some items for you to read. Sometimes there will be a video for you to watch, and then you would select Finish. If there are any lessons that you really enjoyed and you want to refer back to them easily, you can heart a lesson, and that lesson will show up under the My Lessons tab, and you'll be able to easily access that whenever you need. If you need to translate the program, we have this translate feature, and you can select the language that you would like this program translated in. That concludes our video on how families can create Suite360 accounts. Thank you.